Come on, Vamonos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying with Gawr Gura Airlines. How do I start this thing? Okay, we're good. Don't be alarmed. I simply enjoy screaming. Do we have enough speed? I hope we have enough speed. I quit! Stupid airplane. Stupid airplane. Stupid fence. It didn't even load in. I crashed into it as soon as it landed in because I didn't see this stupid chain link fence. Who would put this at the end of a freaking airport? Airplanes are supposed to fly up and out. Look at me. I'm flying a plane. Turbulence, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, now that we're in the air, I would like to direct your attention to the safety instructions in front of you. Should we find ourselves in a... If the plane's going down, tuck your head between your knees. Whoa! Just don't worry about it. It's just, it's just turbulence. Don't worry about it. Lean to the left. Let's fly over Los Santos. There it is! Wow, it's so pretty. Do a barrel roll? Hold on. Wow. Do I do another one? Wow. Oh, shit! Daijoubu? Come on, Vamonos. Let's get in the air. I think I'm actually getting motion sick from this. I'm getting a little barfy here. Now what do we do? Don't press F. Why? What does F do? What does F do? Press G? Meow. Should we fly through the buildings? Hold on, I just got in the air. Let me have some more fun with this.